Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be solving this system of linear equation. And of course, in the previous video, I solved the same problem using elimination method. So in this video, I'm going to be solving this same problem using substitution method. So to solve it, the first thing we need to do is to let this one be equation 1 and this be what? Equation 2. So it's either we eliminate x or y, whichever one is comfortable. So in my own case, I want to eliminate x from equation 1 by substitution. So I'm going to say from equation 1, I'm going to make x the subject of the formula. So if I make, so I can say 2x will now be equal to what? 13 plus 3y. How do I mean? If minus 3y comes here, it will become plus. So divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 2. This cancel this. So what we are going to be having now is what? X will now be what? 13 plus 3y over what? 2. So let me call this equation what? 3. All right. Now, we are now going to be substituting equation 3 in equation 2. The reason why we can't take it back to equation 1 is because equation 3 itself is an extension of equation 1. So we can't substitute an equation inside itself because we are solving it simultaneously. So we take it back to equation 2. That implies that wherever we have x, we replace it with 13 plus 3y over 2. So indirectly, we have eliminated it by substitution. So we now say minus 3. So x is, so I put this in bracket, into brackets 13 plus 3y, right, over 2, right, then plus 2y is got to what? Minus what? Minus 12. So all we just need to do is to open the bracket. We use minus 3 to open this bracket. Minus 3 times 13, that will give us minus 39. So we have minus 39, right? Minus 3 times minus 3y. That is what? Minus what? 9y. Then everything is still over 2. Then plus 2y is got to what? Minus 12. So this 2y, we write it as over 1. So what we do is either we multiply through by minus 2 so as to make everything to be on a level surface, or we find the LCM of these, two terms. So in this case, if we find the LCM, the XCM in this case will be what? 2. So 2 divided by 2, 1. 1 times everything here is just like saying 1 into brackets minus 39 minus 9y, right? Then plus 1 into 2 times 2y, that is 4y, is got to what? Minus what? 12. All right. So 1 times everything here will still give us minus 39 minus 9y plus 4y, right, over what? 2 is got to minus what? 12. Excuse me, minus 12. So we can cross multiply. So if we cross multiply, what we are going to be having, we are going to be having minus 39 minus 9y plus 4y is got to what? Minus 12 times 2. So minus 9 plus 4, minus 9y plus 4y will give us minus 5y. So we have minus 39 minus 5y is got to minus 12 times 2. That is minus what? 24. So what we do is collect like terms. We have minus 5y will now give us what? Minus 24. Minus 39 coming here will be plus 39. Plus what? 39. So minus 24 plus 39 will give us 15. So minus 5y will give us what? 15. Divide both sides by the coefficient of y. And that will give us what? Minus 5 divided by minus what? 5. This cancel this. So we have y will now be equal to 15 divided by minus 5. That will give us what? Minus 3. So that's the value of y. So all we just need to do is to substitute y, which is equal to minus 3, in. So it's easier for us to substitute it in equation 3. Why? Because equation 3 is an extension of equation 1. It's just we simplified equation 1. And x has already been made the subject of formula. And in equation 3, we have x is equal to 13 plus 3y over 2. So in equation, right, 3. And that equation, we have x is equal to what? 13 minus what? 3y over 2. Pardon me, let me confirm. X is equal to 13 minus 3y over 2. 13 plus 3y over 2, not minus. 13 plus 3y over 2. So all we just do is substitute y inside this. We have what? X is equal to 13 plus 3 into bracket minus 3 over what? Over 2. So this will give us 13. 3 times minus 3 minus 9 over 2. So what is 13 minus 9? 13 minus 9 will give us what? 4 over 2, which is equal to 2. So therefore, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to what? Minus what? 3. So obviously the coordinate of the solution, that is x comma y, will now be equal to what? 2 comma minus 3. I want to believe this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel. Please encourage me. Help me to produce more. And it is your subscription that can make that happen. See you in the next video. Thank you.